Can you Airbnb your house if you still have a mortgage? Yes, but only if your lender allows it. And that's the part a lot of people get wrong. Most residential mortgages in the UK are designed for you to live in the property, not to use it as a short-term rental. So even if your mortgage agreement doesn't mention Airbnb by name, it will usually have clauses about subletting, commercial use, or generating rental income. That means if you list your property on Airbnb without permission, you could be in breach of your mortgage terms, and the risks are real. Your lender could increase your rate, apply penalties, or in serious cases, demand repayment of the loan. On top of that, your normal home insurance may not cover short-term letting at all. So if you don't tell your insurer, your policy could be invalid. The first step is simple. Check your mortgage agreement and speak to your lender directly. Some lenders are becoming more flexible. NatWest, for example, has Airbnb-friendly terms in some cases, and Nationwide allows limited short-term letting under certain conditions. But it really depends on your lender and how often you plan to host. If your lender says no, you still have options. You may be able to request consent to let, remortgage with a more flexible lender, or move to a holiday let mortgage if you plan to host more regularly. You also need to think about tax and local rules. Airbnb income has to be declared to HMRC, and in Greater London, entire home rentals are capped at 90 nights per year unless you get planning permission. So yes, you can often Airbnb a house with a mortgage, but only if you do it properly: lender approval, correct insurance, clear tax records, and full compliance with local rules. If you skip those steps, the income might look attractive at first, but the risk can get expensive very quickly. If you don't want to deal with all that, speak to a professional Airbnb management company that can offer fixed monthly rent.